What if everything you perceive as real is just a tiny sliver of a much grander, mind-bending reality? We're not talking sci-fi, we're talking physics. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about the universe, the narrator said, with intrigue and mystery. The narrator explained informatively, with a touch of humor. For centuries, we've been stuck in a 3D rut. Length, width, and height. But mathematicians and physicists have long suspected that there's more to the story. Extra dimensions, curled up so small we can't see them. With an explanatory and relatable tone, the narrator continued. Think of it like this. Imagine an ant walking on a tightrope. To the ant, the tightrope is one-dimensional, but to us, it's a three-dimensional object. Now, scale that up to the universe. The narrator's voice grew exciting and revelatory. Now here's a twist. These extra dimensions aren't just mathematical curiosities. They might be the key to unifying all the forces of nature: gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces. Dr. Eris Thorne, the physicist, stated authoritatively and clearly, string theory suggests that, at the smallest scales, the universe isn't made of point-like particles, but tiny vibrating strings. And the way these strings vibrate dictates the properties of the particles and determines what kind of a universe we end up with. The narrator added informatively, Dr. Thorne said, if these strings live in 10 dimensions, then the extra 6 dimensions must be curled up incredibly small. In an intriguing and suspenseful tone, the narrator posed, but here's where things get truly mind-blowing. What if these extra dimensions aren't just affecting subatomic particles? What if they're influencing gravity itself? Surprisingly and insightfully, the narrator revealed, some theories propose that gravity is actually much stronger than we perceive it. It only appears weak because it's diluted by spreading out into these hidden dimensions. The narrator explained in a thought-provoking way, this could explain why gravity is so much weaker than the other forces. It's not intrinsically weak. It's just sharing the spotlight with countless other unseen realms. With a dramatic and awe-inspiring voice, the narrator concluded, and now, the ultimate twist. Some physicists even speculate that these extra dimensions might not be as small as we think. They could be vast, hidden universes existing right alongside our own, interacting with us through gravity. The narrator wondered with a sense of wonder and speculation. Imagine right now, as you're watching this, there could be entire galaxies, civilizations, and realities just a hair's breadth away, hidden in dimensions beyond our perception.